Are you ready to embark on an unforgettable journey in the Paris of South America? Buenos Aires, Argentina, is not just a city, it's an experience waiting to be discovered. The vibrant neighborhoods of Buenos Aires are a melting pot of cultures and adventures. From Indian to Thai, the city's international cuisine will tantalize your taste buds. Football isn't just a sport here, it's a way of life that unites the locals. With a TEFL certificate, you'll unlock countless job opportunities in this dynamic city. Whether part-time or full-time, teaching English in Buenos Aires is a rewarding career choice. Highly qualified instructors and a comprehensive curriculum ensure your success. Our Spanish program offers 8 levels, ensuring you find the perfect fit. Dine at the trendiest restaurants in Las Cañitas, Palermo neighborhood. Our TEFL course includes a virtual meeting to answer all your questions before arrival. Receive immediate feedback and support from your course trainer. Graduates can find exciting job openings at partner institutes and companies. Competitive salary packages and extensive training await you in Buenos Aires. Take the leap and become a TEFL certified teacher in one of the most captivating cities in Latin America.